His mommy, daddy, and me were Pinoy family in Hawaii.
Okay, where are we going?
We're going to Mac's restaurant and it's Baby A's baptism.
See you there.
See you there in the party.
Alright. Okay, today is A's baptism. Hey, Ace's cupcake. Ace's favors. There's Ace's balloon. And there's baby Ace. Hi, baby. Hello. And there's Ace Young doing the thing. And Ate Chriselle. Where is Ate Bonnie? And there's Mommy Jeannie. Say hi, Mommy Jeannie. Where are you? Okay. So we're gonna upload this later on. Bonnie. There's Richie. There's Bonnie. And then, ooh, you got a cool cake.
That cake is expensive.
Ooh, 100 plus.
$250.
Oh my god.
Cake work.
Cake work. That's expensive.
I-ano mo nga ate?
Nasaan? Bayaman na.
No, nakalahati yung ko.
Ooh, that's a cute cake.
Ayun, nag-i-invase. Anong ilalagay natin yan?
Oh, parang ito.
Ito, ating paraanan mo. Bakit? Tapos dumikit ito, yung kita. Tanggalin mo yung nandito. Ikabit mo doon. O sa likod. Dito.
You know how or what? You gotta unattach the thing. There. You wanna slide that out? Slide it out? Leave it?
Fix the thing.
Good. Oh, the cross? Oh, smoke the crossing.
This is the only thing we have.
The other way.
This icing. That's icing, right? Buttercream.
Take from the back. Come on.
Oh my god.
Come on, let's take this one.
Damage control. Did you videotape him?
Yeah.
Okay, send it to my email then.
Yeah.
You can go. Yeah, he wanted. I was carrying him too. He didn't want to be carried. Ooh, look at it go. Ooh, say hi. Ooh. Oh, stop crying. You've been crying all day already. You got it?
I need a knife. Because I gotta cut it.
Wasn't there like a knife on this thing?
I know he's gonna get it. Alam mo, this is
Okay.
No, it's okay, because it's in the middle.
Are there more people we waiting for? Woohoo!
Wala ko dalang lang. Okay. Tunos kayo si Babe.
And then we just leave here.
Gusto kong gabi. Libre na lang. Gusto mo?
Ayusin niya. Yung cross. Ayos niya. Let the bake shop lady work on it. Since she always works at the bake shop.
Yes! Now, ay, kaya mo yan. Nanginginig siya. Hindi kasi naka-ere siya.
Spoon? Spatula?
O, ayan, pwede na. Ayusin na lang niya.
Parang surgery to, scalpel. Ay! I-push mo ba?
Saglit naman ang gumadali may lakad. Sait lang mo. Diyan, kami ako.
That's the next thing.
Nakita si Mami, wala kang tula.
No, but we told her not.
Again, because they all of them over there. Long na ba? Nung tayo ko tinawagan pa namin, alam niya. Yung lapit ko, na-icing namin yun. Ano ba? Tapos ka na mag-surgery dyan?
It's hard because it's like blue, it's gold.
Our recording is making a surgery over there. Oh my gosh.
What happened? Papasa na ba? Jenny, papasa na ba to?
Girl, you cannot do anything. It's blue. It's gold over the blue. Parang may lump. Mamili ka, lump or naked? Naked or lump? It's either of the two. Tapos broken.
Ano ba ginawa mo?
Hindi ako ate. Blue kasi yung ilalim niya, te.
Ayan.
It's blue over the it's gold over
Kasi
the
mo na ibang gold dito, tapos i-punas mo na dyan.
pangit ng pag kinaskas mo nga siya, mag-aano yung blue. Lalabas yung blue. Trying to take out the blue.
Ayan o. Spread yun na lang yung gold.
Dito.
Kasi wala ng gold, puro blue na lang lahat.
Ay, icing namin. Icing yung sama niya.
Okay na yan, sige na. I got this like $20.
Yeah. Okay, now, moment of truth. This is heavy.
Yeah, mabigas na tumba.
Nabalik ka.
Buti nga yung diretso lang nila.
Tanggalin mo ito. Asan na kayo? Hindi, yung mabigat tita yun. Okay ba? Yung ito itong box. Ayan. Yes. Kailangan pa natin ito.
Got it. You cannot do nothing about it.
Because we don't have gold color.
But it's not noticeable though.
Pag malayo, wag na lang close up. Yun eh. Walang close up. Malayo ang picture ng cake. Walang
Okay, there. Not better? Can you see it? There's Dodgy and Baby Ace. Everybody's there. Everybody's done eating. Here we go. Yummy food. Did you eat? Yeah. I know, I need a little bit too. Let's be nosy. How's everybody doing here? And this one's always play shy. And like shy. Ooh, let's watch him eat. Let's watch him eat. Yummy! Don't mind me. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy talaga naman. Ah. Food is life, Tef. Oh, that's how much sugar you eat. Yay!
Nice. There you go.
Yeah.
Na yung gums niya.
Yep. Masakit kasi, kaya irritable siya. Kaya nga ito yung binibigay ko sa kanya, natin niya yung plastic eh.
Yum.
Mag-order pala ako.
Oh, he's busy paying
Fried
now.
rice.
Tumigil sa kakaiyak.
Yeah. Mamaya ulit yan.
Uy!
Food is life.
Yeah. Everybody's there.
Kita, video na ako this.
Yeah.
Paway-paway na lang. Dahil yung papoy. Pagyan nga. Yes. Pakaway po.
Dala mo. Uy!
Pwede na yan. 2,000.
Daga mo ng hero diyang. Lagyan mo na. Gusto mong ballpen? Meron ako. May ballpen ako itip din.
Wait, I'm broke already. Stop. I gotta pay a lot of bills.
Ah, this is Tito's one too.
My name's in there.
Okay po, 20,000. Ay, di ka pala yan.
I am broke.
Gustuin mo na. May extra daw.
Baby Ace mouth is
Or you
dirty.
can give those to them. They probably use it.
We're broke.
His
Okay,
face.
how old is she?
I'm 7.
You're 7? What's your name? What's your name down? Ano?
Sijen.
Sijen. Sijen. So this is Athena, the Sijen. You're both the same age. Look, she's in 2nd grade. Huh?
Anong grade na ba siya?
2nd grade.
Oh, second.
Yeah, see?
Second niya?
They're both 2nd grade. Say hi, see?
Same age sila.
Same age, 7. Hi, baby! Ooh, yum! Yum, 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 yum. Yummy! Yum! Yum!
Okay.
Look, Ace is like, ooh, yummy!
But his lips is dirty.
Yeah, he's like,
They dirty.
yeah. Yummy. Whoa! You want some more? Hey, don't play with that. Don't play with that, huh? No, don't feed him. Auntie Jeannie's gonna feed him.
Yummy!
Auntie Jeannie's gonna feed. Auntie Jeannie, go. You gonna try? You gonna try feed him? Just a little bit. Athena's gonna try feed Ace.
I want to be.
Go. Please.
She doesn't like it. They're like, who's feeding me?
I have food.
Don't be shy. Go. Be shy.
Open up.
Let's try. Ang bilis mo sa pagkain ng bagal mo na.
Ano ba? Pakain ng pakain kayo. Pakain ng pakain. Mamaya tumaba na. Bawa kayo pag naging obesyan sa baon.
Ayan. Malantog lang. Nagsuka na siya mamaya. Ayan.
Oh, see, you don't overfeed in my vomit.
Later again, later. Where's your milk?
Whee!
What is that?
Cupcake.
What flavor?
Chocolate and vanilla.
Oh.